How to find drafts on a Snapchat. To find drafts on a Snapchat is quite easy and simple. Do watch the video till the end. So let's get started. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your particular account. And to demonstrate, let's take a snap. You can write the text and edit it any way as per your wish. Then tap on Save at the bottom left corner of the screen. And now keep as it is without posting or sharing to our Snapchatters on a Snapchat. Let's get back using the back button. And once you have closed the section and open a Snapchat again, tap on the two flashcard icon at the bottom left corner to find drafts on a Snapchat. Now you will see the recent snap under recently added. So we don't find the particular option as drafts, but under recently added, you will see all your draft posts on Snapchat. You can simply open it and further you can edit it as well using the right panel sections and then add to history, or you can send it to your friends on Snapchat. Select the small arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you wish to delete those draft posts, you can select it and then tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner, tap delete. Now tap delete again, and that's it. That's how we easily find drafts on Snapchat. I hope this video worked. If this worked, then hit the like button, share, comment on this video. Subscribe for more tech and tips.